Greetings, my name is Akwete Basil Ama. I am the founder and senior lecturer at Kingdom of Kings Academy Worldwide, a place of biblical study structured for one seeking an in-depth understanding of the Bible from its original Hebrew or Hebraic perspective. We are based here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Can I borrow your ears for 2 minutes? This April, we'll be introducing our revolutionary Bible education about which I want to brief you on. What we're doing is taking the Bible from the lecture halls, removing the traditional boundaries of time and location, and packaging the Bible into thought-provoking weekly nuggets, chapter by chapter, verse by verse, to allow the flexibility not often found in other academic or religious situations. We live in a very fast-paced world where information is just a touch away on our smartphones, and people are becoming very short-focused. So we give 5 to 15 minutes max of weekly thought-provoking video Bible nuggets, chapter by chapter, verse by verse, from the text's original Hebraic perspective. The text of the Bible was written in Hebrew, so we make sure we stick very close to the Hebrew language and culture, so we don't lose anything in translation. With our program, you choose the most convenient time for you to study, on your lunch break, on the bus or taxi or Uber to work, basically at your leisure. Our weekly video materials are structured so that you encounter the Hebraic powerful recipes for developing oneself. Ideas that have been over 3,600 years in the making. You get to top up your Hebraic and general biblical knowledge by exploring dramatic biblical events, inspiring characters and heartwarming tales from the earliest history of Yah's people. Our program is a revolutionary concept in Bible education, an unprecedented presentation of Bible studies in a highly professional, innovative, academically rigorous, and yet accessible format. Visit our website, tasteoftext.org, and look around. We look forward to studying.